shop overview there. So what we're doing today is building a jig to make it easier to build these custom planters. So there's some 3/4 plywood that I had, a couple of 2x4s. These are just kind of what the legs are going to be made out of. I'm making it up as I go. Got the width set, ripped it down, and then I had to rip a couple of strips for the sidewalls and the forward end. Here we get a little bit of glue and some brad nails. I go through later actually and put some screws into this. It's not in this video, but they're really necessary because it takes a lot more malleting than I had expected to get these 2x4s to fit, in production. So then I made a couple of like L brackets for the crossbeam. This will sit on the upper and lower side of that crossbeam, like right there. Just glued them and brad nailed them in there. Worked out great. So I ended up putting some glue under those L brackets later. I popped them off and popped them back in there, but didn't have video of it. And so I figured I'd give it a try. Build one of these leg assemblies, if you will. So a little bit of glue. Those are 24-inch legs with an 11-inch cross member there. I'm going to put runners on top of that so you can put plants that are in pots up on there as kind of a privacy barrier. So got this one set, then I got a phone call. Kind of farted around for a minute trying to explain something that's irrelevant. Anyway, came back in and put some pilot holes in here, countersinks, nice and slow. Those are perfectly square, as you can see. I got shit from hell to breakfast in here. So anyway, threw some pilots in there. For the first one, this one seemed to take an extra long time. As I was building these the next day, which is today now, they got incrementally quicker. Got them down to about 30 seconds for each assembly, which is a pretty significant improvement over when I built these quote-unquote custom planters the first time. So, yep, definitely didn't split those 2x4s at all. So they're rock solid. They're good to go. So, anyway, thanks for coming out. Hope you enjoyed it. Do the like and subscribe thing, and I'll catch you around. See ya.